Face your partner, body roll, connect. Left side pass. Walk, triple step, triple underarm, walk, walk, triple step, sugar, push goes walk, walk, triple step, on or inside turn, free spin, triple step, triple whip goes walk, walk, triple step, walk, walk, outside turn, go up the work. Good. Nice job, everybody. So, all right, I'm going to give y'all an option right now. We could either move on or we could try with music. Did I hear music? Say yes if you want music. All right, okay.
I love my school.
Oh my gosh, you're so cute.
I think it's more for producer. Yeah, but you can also do it for, yeah.
Thank you.
Welcome guys, happy Black Welcome. Yeah.
culture. That's hilarious. It's not racist. All right, here we go. Watch my ball. This only lasts 5 minutes. Yeah, my ex was upset about it as well. I will show you how the trick used to look and then how the trick looks today. The magicians would blow on the balls. One at a time, they would vanish. Some of you know what I'm doing. Just keep watching. It gets better. I've seen the show. Watch. Look. Did you see it vanish? No, of course not. See, now you're watching like immigration. I'm nervous. When I blow, the ball disappears. No, it's not. I'll get it later. The last one, watch close. That was a terrible joke. I don't swallow balls. I'm straight. That's not a joke. Stop laughing. Ready, watch. Just like that. Back under the cups, and the crowd goes mild. Go Pats. Go Pats. Sir, you can take your parachute off. You've landed. Is that the new one? The Osmo 3? No? Okay. I don't want it. It's the old one. All right, sir, what's your name with the blue shirt? Jacob? Are you from Australia? Melbourne? Cool. Jacob, how many bows do you see on the table? A little bit louder. Very good. Don't help him out. We're going to play a game. Jacob, you're going to lose. It's a scam. Do not play this game for money. I always expose it at my show so nobody walks away thinking they can make a quick $100. You're going to come across the game. People are winning hundreds of dollars. They work together. I watched a lady at the top of the pier the other day lose $200 in about 15 minutes. Are you ready, Jacob? Yeah. Ready? Watch the one with the ball. Everyone else just watch, okay? Don't help him out, please. Shut up. Ready, Jacob? Here we go. Ready? First. I go really slow just to make sure Jacob doesn't have ADHD. Jacob, A, B, or C? A. You said A? You meant A? Okay, I was trying to help you, Jacob. It's a scam. You'll never win if you pay attention, Jacob. They're magicians. See, they don't really put it under. They hold it in their hand. That's called cheating. My girlfriend hates when I do it. That's a joke. I don't have a girlfriend. Jacob, no matter which cup you choose, you're going to win the first 10, 20 bucks. When you pull out a 50 or 100 because you know it's there, they shove it under a different one. Now, Jacob, if I put the ball away, how many balls under this cup? Yes, very smart. Smart man. Jacob, how many balls here? If you're not sure, you can guess. How many? 2. Good try, good try. That's how you lose all your money in one bet. Jacob, this time my wrist won't leave my hands. Jacob, how many now? 0. No, orange, you're so close. I thought he had me. All right, 30 seconds left. I'm going to try to do 6 things in 30 seconds. It's more than most men do in 30 minutes. Watch the magic hat. I know it's magic because right now it's empty, but after this trick, it's always overflowing with money. Please. Guys, I know it's easier to walk away without tipping, but I didn't leave when you got here. Jacob, you're doing great. How many under the hat? Are you sure? Okay, watch the ball vanish. I call this the ball vanishing trick. Let me check. Yeah, it's gone. Thank you. Now, that was easy. The hard part is to bring it back. Look. Ta-da. Okay, I'll do it for real. In slow motion. How many now, Jacob? No, 3. Thought you were paying attention, buddy. Look, orange. Yeah, because you were all watching the hat, folks. Look, orange. No, save it. Look, orange. Yeah, that doesn't make sense. Look, orange. Look, orange. Oh, you'll love this, though. Look, pineapple. Thank you. Thanks, guys. Have a magical evening. Just remember, loving and giving makes life worth living. I could have been your brother. I'm trying to get back to Canada as quick as possible. My parents miss me.